A soldier was shot in Augustown, St. Andrew Thursday night during a confrontation. Official reports say the soldier was shot in a firefight with gunmen, but residents say otherwise and complain that the soldiers were firing indiscriminately and could hurt many innocent people while firing at an innocent man. Kirk Wright has the story.
The shooting in Augustown last night started close to 10 o'clock and happened in a section of the community called African Gardens or Vietnam. Veronica Peters says she was watching television when she heard someone talking to her neighbor who responded by saying, "I'm not a gunman or a wrongdoer." She said immediately after, she heard sporadic explosions and bullets entered her house, hitting the wall over her head. Then she took cover. Daylight on Friday revealed the extent of the gunfire that took place. This garbage bin outside bears multiple bullet holes.
I see this, that is how they do here. They shoot one barrage a shot, shoot up there, right? And then see it here again. There, there. The shot lasts about 5 minutes or so. See here, okay. And here on my wall, see there. Shot come through that window into this glass. And shot right like that. Right while I was sitting right in the settee there.
An official report says the soldier was shot in a firefight with gunmen in what is being described as an ongoing operation in the area to curb crime. The report says the soldiers came upon a group of men at a premises on Bedwood Crescent where the men immediately opened fire at the soldiers. When we visited the community, we were told a man was watering his plants and was shot in the feet by the soldiers. The man's sister says he waters his plants at nights and was doing just that when the soldiers came. She showed us items and areas of her house where the bullet made their marks. This elderly woman was shaken up from the ordeal, says the bullet also pierced several sections of her house. Now, a common complaint we've always been getting from the security forces is the challenge with police in Augustown. They say whenever criminals commit crime, they usually run to the hills. The people who are affected by last night's shooting say they aren't happy with the actions of the security forces and are speaking out. I asked Ms. Peters why residents remain quiet when gunmen create mayhem in the community but speak out when they think it's the security forces who are in the wrong.
You know, in the area where you live, and if other persons away from the security do something, you alone can just come out because you know the consequences you will face.
What is the consequence?
Huh? People come back and kill you. Right? You alone cannot do it. Why you alone is gonna do it when nobody's there to stand beside you? And I don't think you can tell the security forces that either.
Ms. Peters says she has no problem with the security forces in the community. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.